everyone, and welcome to my video today, you guys. I have a video that I filmed several weeks ago that I'm going to put up for you guys. It uses the celebration stamp set, and then it uses the So Sentimental stamp set and the dies from the mini catalog. I filmed this video before we started the room renovation, my craft room renovation. And so I have nails. Aren't they beautiful? I'm so desperate to get my nails done again. So it's a little bit, I'm sorry that the one stamp set isn't available anymore, but I had this video and I didn't want it to go to waste. So I'm just using mint macaroon cardstock here, and I started with a card base, and now I'm taking a piece of that mint macaroon and I'm going to use this embossing folder. This embossing folder is still available, and that line on the very bottom of the embossing folder is so that you can line up the embossed part. So I just took a 1/4 inch off of that piece of cardstock, so it's 4 inches by 5 1/4, and then I'm layering that on top. I used the stamp set, the designer paper that was called Pleased as Punch. That designer paper is no longer available. And then I used the stamp set to stamp some of the images, and then I punched them out with the punch. The small flower punch will be available in the new annual catalog that is coming up. So that is nice that that punch will be available, but that particular stamp set will not. Also, the lighting is not great on this video, and I'm sorry about that. It was in my old, where my old filming setup was, and it was in the evening. So my filming was, the lighting was a little off. So I've just taken this stamp and stamped it on a stitched circle, and then I'm gonna add it to the card. The So Sentimental bundle is going to be available in the upcoming annual catalog, which is super nice. I'm glad we're not losing that set or those dies because I love them. But they will not be bundled together. So if you want to save 10% and get these two things together, you can do that by purchasing before the annual catalog. That goes live in June, and I'm going to have a sign-up form. If you would like a catalog, you can sign up to get one from me. The sign-up form is going to be in the YouTube description below or on my website, or if you're getting this in my email, this post, you will see it there as well. So now I'm just going to take the flowers that I have. This is somewhat of a monochromatic card. I'm using mint macaroon and pear pizzazz, and then these flowers, and I'm just sprinkling them sort of around the sentiment, which is what I have liked doing with these, with this floral image. I think it works nice for that. And then you can see here is the stamp that is in that stamp set. Again, I'm so sorry that I'm sharing this after it's not available. And I'm just stamping that down, and then I'll use the punch. Like I said, the punch will be available in the annual catalog. So if you ended up getting that, that's great. And I'm sure there'll probably be another set that will coordinate with that punch. So I just used mint macaroon ink, and then I will place these on here. I'm using dimensionals. One of the exciting things about the new catalog, which I have seen because I'm a demonstrator, I got to see it last week. I have it on my iPad, and I've been flipping through it in the evening when I have a few minutes. One of the things that I'm loving is that the dimensionals, the black dimensionals that debuted in the holiday catalog, will be an option in the annual catalog. So I love that we're going to have that option. I'm using the white dimensionals right here, but we will have an option for black dimensionals in that catalog, which I was excited about because I loved them. So I'm just placing these all around. You can see. Also, if you saw the retiring list that is out, you would have noticed that the snail adhesive is retiring. That is the adhesive runner that I'm using in this video. That adhesive is retiring, and Stampin' Up! Is coming out with an exclusive option for adhesive. I have seen it, and I'm very excited about it. If you love snail and you want to stock up on some of it, so you have the option of having that while you're getting your new adhesive from Stampin' Up! And trying it out, I suggest doing that. I had quite a stock of snail on hand because I just recently purchased a bunch. But I know that adhesive is personal to everybody. You either love it or you don't. I personally never really loved the fast fuse, but lots of people did. And so if you want to stock up on that, you can do that. So this card is just about done, and you'll see it here. I'm going to add some rhinestones to the middle of this card, to the middle of the flower images, like I always do. A few reminders as I wrap this video up for you guys. There are just a few days left for you to get your free stamp set from me. If you place a $65 order with me this month, you will get the Make a Splash stamp set from me for free. Those will ship out the beginning of May. As soon as I get them from Stampin' Up!, they will ship out. And then again, if you need a new catalog, if you would like a new annual catalog, please use the sign up form to do that. I'm not just sending out masses amounts of catalogs. I'm only sending them out to those who sign up. So I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I'll be back all this week to share with you guys even more. So much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.